These are the tower elevators of the U.S. Bank building in Lincoln, Nebraska, downtown. These are modernized OTIS elevators from 1969. So here we go. This is the 4K 30 frames take. Interesting, look at that indicator. Which is going to be that one. Here it comes, so calmly. Here it comes, it's up on D. Here it is. Let's go to 20. Here we go. Traction. Here are 20. Let's go right down to the lobby. These are your fixtures. Evans, designer of Code W signature fixtures. There's your phone. Full indicator above the doors. I wonder why they used to be skipping 13th floor. I'm not sure. The lobby R1. Alright, that's it.